Hi, I'm Mridula. I have come here to Afia Driving Motor School to learn the car driving, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. I have learned much in 10 days, and I'm gonna show you how I learned this one. Okay?
Right.
Now, let's begin with the clutch, brake, accelerator, gears and steering control. Everything we are going to show in this video. So we have stopped in the highway road. Now we are going to start this video, right? Let's begin.
Proceed.
So now I am going to show you the U-turn, right?
First apply the indicator.
Yeah.
Right side.
So we need to first apply the indicator, which is on the right side. If you want to turn, like if you want an indicator to right side, then you have to click this one below, and if you want to left side, then you have to click this up. Okay,
Side mirror view.
okay. And then if you want to check the U-turn, you need to see this your right hand side mirror and check if any vehicles are coming or not.
Right.
So then you need to give this steering full turn, that is three circles. Okay, let me show you how.
1.5 circle. Dead end.
Okay, dead end. See, my instructor is correcting. Yeah. Okay.
Right.
So first important thing is, after pressing on the clutch, you need to apply the gear. Okay. So it is in first gear.
Neutral chain.
It is in neutral. Then we need to apply the first gear, which is positioned like this. Okay. Then you need to turn your steering to the dead end. Okay. Before releasing your clutch, release it smooth and need to check in the mirror whether any vehicles are coming or not. Then only you have to proceed. Okay. Okay. So yes, now we can proceed.
Right. Proceed.
Yeah, done. So you need to keep
Position.
it proper in the position. Okay.
9-3 position.
9-3 position. That's it. It's done. U-turn. In order to know more, please watch Afia Motors Driving School videos.
Thank you. మళ్ళీ యూటర్న్ చేయాలనుకుంటే రియర్ వ్యూ మిర్రర్ చూడాలి.
Okay.
చూసుకొని నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ గేర్.
So this is neutral.
ఫస్ట్ గేర్.
Check in the rear mirror what all vehicles are coming your back. Then only proceed with the U-turn. Okay. This is the same procedure you have to follow, which we have done before, right?
Right. Proceed. Slowly release clutch.
Yeah. Make sure you're checking in the vehicles in all your mirrors, like right and back, before you giving the U-turn. Okay. Once you have turned your vehicle, you'll be knowing when to give your tire straight, like using the steering.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Then you need to apply the accelerator by changing the gear. Okay.
Super. 10 plus second gear.
How to stop this indicator? Okay.
Hazard lights on this one. Okay. Third gear apply. Right. Gear shifting.
before
10++ చేసుకుంటా 10+కి సెకండ్ గేర్, 20+కి థర్డ్ గేర్, 40+కి ఫోర్త్ గేర్, 50+కి ఫిఫ్త్ గేర్, ఇట్లా మనం ఒక మార్జిన్ చూసుకుంటే వేసుకోవాలి. తర్వాత మనకు ఆటోమేటిక్గా అర్థమైపోతుంది. బాయ్ చెప్పా,
bye viewers.
ఇక్కడ చూసి బాయ్ చెప్పండి.
Bye viewers.
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి.
Afia Motor Driving School.
ఆఫియా మోటార్ డ్రైవింగ్ స్కూల్, నర్సంపేట్.